So what do I receive when I actually order a Sound Shark?
Well, the base Sound Shark does not include a microphone or any sort of electronic device, so you will need to provide some sort of microphone and either recorder or amplifier to capture the electronic signal of the microphone. But the Sound Shark, the base product, is just the collector, the mounting hardware, and the hardware to mount the microphone. All the other options, microphone, uh, amplifier, and so forth, are available as options, and you can build the bundle or package to suit your needs.